Studio owners, stick around. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create YouTube shorts that get crazy views and sell more memberships. Hi, I'm McKenna. I'm the creative manager here at Loud Rumor, and today I'm joined by our resident social media expert, Amanda. She does most of our social media content, so she's very familiar with YouTube shorts and how they work, and today she's going to talk to us about why you guys as studio owners should be doing them for yourself. And just as a reminder, Loud Rumor is an advertising agency and consulting agency specifically for fitness studio owners. So if that is you and you want to learn more about us, click the link in the description below. Hop on a free strategy call. You'll see if you're fit for our program, completely free. Okay, so Amanda, for those of people who don't know what YouTube shorts are, what are they and why should studio owners use them?
Sure, so YouTube shorts are a new way for anyone to connect and build an audience using just their smartphone. Similar to Instagram Reels, YouTube shorts are short, 60-second long videos that run on a completely different algorithm than normal posts or YouTube videos.
Yeah.
This is why they're really blowing up right now and a great way to get a lot of new eyes on your brand. And just like Instagram and TikTok, you create shorts using your smartphone and the built-in editor in the YouTube app. You can capture, edit, add music, animated text, control the speed of your footage, and edit together multiple clips to create your shorts. There is a lot of stuff that you can do in there, so I really encourage you to experiment with it and just get as creative as you can. One thing to note as well is the standard on YouTube is to always include a thumbnail in your videos. For YouTube Shorts, you don't have to include a thumbnail, it'll just assign it for you. But at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter if you have a thumbnail or not.
Gotcha, okay, so it sounds like it's a short process. Had to get it in there. But now let's dive into the meat of it. What kind of content should studio owners post?
That is a great question. So YouTube Shorts are meant to be fun and easy to watch. So you don't want to overload your viewers with too much information in 60 seconds. That being said, there are a few different types of shorts content that fitness studios should focus on. First, studios should focus on creating YouTube shorts that showcase their best workouts. So showing things like members working out using proper form, different classes they may offer, or even have their trainers advertise an upcoming class or challenge. Another idea for shorts content would be member testimonials and transformations. Don't be afraid to ask your members if they are willing to make a short with you. This is where you can ask them about their experience with your gym, goals they've achieved while working out in your studio, and what they like most about your studio. Ultimately, like I said before, you want to make these fun, so definitely focus on social media trends that are happening right now. You could also highlight like birthdays or anniversaries and just have a good time with it.
Yeah, I love that. That's definitely good ideas for that. And in the past, we've actually made a video with Amanda about Instagram Reels. You guys can check it out by clicking that link up there. But can you use those Instagram Reels and maybe like TikTok videos? Can you use them with YouTube Shorts as well, like to like repurpose them?
Yeah, definitely. The only thing to note with that is the formatting is a little bit different between the different platforms. So just make sure that you're watching your YouTube short before you post it, just to make sure like if you have any text or anything you've already added to it, that it's all like visible, right?
Yeah, not cut off or
yeah.
Like that, yeah.
And then another thing with that too is if you used copyright music, like say on TikTok, I suggest definitely taking the music off when you post it on Shorts and adding the audio from Shorts, like from YouTube Shorts itself. Otherwise, they're gonna take your video down.
And we know from experience.
That's definitely happened to us. So yeah, so lastly, I will say this. Short form content is kind of like having a revolution right now. So you definitely want to focus on creating short videos, not just for YouTube Shorts, but for TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. Just because it is huge right now. People are very entertained by it. It's very easy to consume and just overall fun to watch and interact with.
Yeah, no, definitely, you're like right on track. We've experienced it, seeing really good results for us, and even just when you think about yourself at home, consuming short form content is just kind of standard right now. So definitely make sure you guys are using it for your studios, whether that be Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels like you had mentioned. And then for those of you guys at home that don't know, we are Loud Rumor, and we are a fitness studio consulting and marketing agency, and obviously we work specifically with fitness studio owners just like yourself. And if you want to learn more about getting started with Loud Rumor, you can jump on a 100% free strategy call. So go ahead and click that link in the description below.
McKenna, let's keep it short. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, subscribe
For more videos
just like this one.